Hey there, it's DigitalGrl here with NFTSweep.io. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Twitter profile picture and take advantage of the all-new NFT Twitter verification feature. This feature is for Twitter Blue subscription users only and cannot be done using your desktop. If you try and change your PFP on your desktop, it will only allow you to upload a regular photo just like it always did. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. From your profile, click on the Edit Profile button in the top right-hand corner. Next, click on the camera icon that's covering your current profile picture, and click on Choose NFT. From there, go ahead and click on Connect My Wallet, and choose the option that's right for you. I'm going to use my MetaMask. And now we'll be asked to connect to the twitter.com website. As you can see, it says by clicking Connect, you allow this dApp to view your public address. So go ahead and click on Connect, and then hit Sign. And now you'll be able to choose from the NFTs that are in your wallet. You can also view by collection by clicking on the Collections tab. And I'm going to go ahead and use one of my Lazy Lions NFTs for my new profile picture. Once you find the one that you like, go ahead and click on it. And here we have a preview of what the new hexagon-shaped profile picture is going to look like. We're going to go ahead and click on Done, and then hit Save in the top right-hand corner. And now we've got a nice new NFT profile picture. Do keep in mind that as of right now, the feature is only available on iOS, and it has only rolled out to select countries at this point, those countries being the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And if we head back to our profile and click on our new profile picture, you can actually view all of the details. So as you can see here, we've got the creator, the owner, that's you, along with the collection. You can also see things like the properties or traits. It even has a link at the bottom that takes you over to OpenSea where you can view even more information. So that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and NFT-related videos.